Alright, humans.
Alright, Earthling.
Let's just open up some Pokemon cards.
It's all like pretty much open. Cool. Rite Aid finally been forever. Humans and Earthlings, since I was actually able to get something other than pre-ordering. And when I was getting this was sitting right in a box, up on the shelf. So I was like, oh yeah. So we're gonna find out what's in the mini queue. Since there's 3 cards in there, I think it was $15. 15 doll hands. The Rite Aid cycle. Got the Mimikyu. Pretty cool. Promo or just a card? Oh. Just a card? Looks like it. That's cool. I'll take it. And what do we got in there? Oh, no way! I'll take these cards, okay. There's the code. For the coders, throw it! No, man. Check it out. Vivid Voltage.
Right.
Darkness Ablaze.
Okay.
And a Rebel's Clash, which is one of our classically our favorite of ours. We like Rebel's Clash.
Yeah. That was one of our first booster packs that we got in
Got us into it,
in
man.
our hands.
Got us into it, humans and Earthlings, with Rebel's Clash. Also, we have a band called, Rebel's Chaos.
Yeah, it's pretty close. So.
Pretty sweet. We got this one, which I'll just take. Code for the coders. Throw it in anger. Cool Morpeko, which is a promo. Got some super scratches on there though. And what's this Pokemon? Entei? Yes. I don't think we have an Entei Corn. Still. Okay. Well, we got a Chillin' Rain, Rebel's Chaos, a Darkness Ablaze, and a Vivid Voltage. Alright, I'm gonna pick my first one. I'm gonna go Vivid Voltage. I'm just gonna go with the Rebel Clash. Alright.
Fire nice.
We're gonna start off with some Rebel Clash. Let's just rip right into it, humans and Earthlings. This is gonna be a short and sweet video. Might open up Evolving Skies just for the hake of it. For the hake of it? The hake? Oh yeah, Applin. Nice. Code for the coders. Throw it in anger. Nice. Flip it around. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shut the door. Flip it around again. Electric Energy. Masquerain. A Nugget. Golden. Tranquil. That Applin. A Temple. Looking like it's about to cry. That Trubbish. Nice. Look. Helioptile. Yep. That card from the Fusion Strike is definitely weird. Onage. I like it though. I don't not like it. Sweet, Morpeko, reverse. I love Morpeko. And Whiscash. Nothing. And a nothing. Alright. Put these in there.
Good.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, let's just rip right into it.
Darkness Ablaze. Could it be the Charizard that we've been finally... It's like the only thing in this one. What else is in here? Burn!
Here, have a code,
We have
everybody.
a code.
Have a green code. Gross. Yuck.
That was dumb.
What's in it? Who cares? Do we even need to do a...
Isn't there like something?
Fire! There could be something fire in here. It could be a mistake.
Yeah.
Staravia? Scarvin? Tree? Dino or something? Electrike? Galarian Mime. Mr. Mime. I do like that. Rickety, Taurus, Panpoir, and Lithar.
And then Chewy! Excuse me. Alright. That rainbow rare Pikachu's in this vivid voltage right here. Trust and believe, I know it is. Right here. Alright. Come on, humans. Come on, Earthlings. Believe. All you gotta do is believe. Okay.
And recycle.
Oh, okay, cool. Code? So the code is throw it! Again in anger. Alright, flip that around. 1, 2, 3, 4. Psychic energy. Drone Rotom. A Swoobat. Loud Red. A Whooper. A Dedenne. I love Dedenne. I forgot. Never see Dedenne anymore. Pick a peck. Pick a peck, pick a peck. A Choodle. Riolu. A Hitmontop. Into a Pikachu V. Sweet.
All
I'll
right.
take it. That's awesome. I don't
Excellent.
think we have this one actually. This is one we don't have. I don't even remember this being it. Sweet full art card. Beautiful. Alright. Yes it is. Your turn, sir.
Alright. Chilly Rain. Here we go. There's a code. Throw it in happiness and magic. And good luck.
Of course, always.
Water energy. Haunter. Oh, I like Haunter. Flannery. Carbonable. Heracross. Clobbopus. Grookey. Sneasel. Galarian Farfetch'd. Fog Crystal Reverse. And an Ampharos.
And Evolving Skies. Where did that come from? Out of nowhere.
What happened? Oh, it's already open.
Recycle.
Well, I guess I might as well see what's
Throw the
inside.
code.
And throw the code. Yeah, you might as well do that too.
Flip it through.
There's a water energy. Ursaring. Crustle. Rescue Carrier. Lotad. Rufflet. Emolga. Woobat. Gossifleur. A Dream Ball Reverse. And a Gorgeist. No, okay. Okay.
Alright. We're doing it. This is it. I even know I did get one full art card. Let me get one more right here. Code for the coders. Throw it away. Recycle that. Flip it around. We're doing it quick. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Flip it around again. What, how, what, and where, ha. Digging gloves. Stormy mountains. Shell gone. Mareep the sheep. Wobbuffet. Love disc. Dwebble. Oh no. Hippopotamus. Oh man, that's beautiful. I will take that every day of my life. Galarian Articuno into a Stoutland, but look at the beautiful Galarian. I love this card.
That's nice.
Oh man, I think I got a sticker in mine. Perfect.
Alright, humans.
Alright, Earthlings.
If you like this video, like this video.
And if you want to see more, hit the button. and the bell. And don't forget to find a friend to tell. 4 thumbs up.